Meaning of distributed system.
Distributed system.
Distributed system.
Distributed system.
Distributed system. A distributed system is a network of autonomous computers that work together as a single system to achieve a common goal. Its components are spread over multiple physical and/or virtual machines, connected by a communication network. The main advantage of a distributed system is the ability to efficiently handle large amounts of data and provide high availability and fault tolerance. However, designing and managing such systems is complex and requires expertise in areas such as networking, security, and software engineering.